Hello friends, welcome to Beena's Family Kitchen. Today we will see how to make tasty and delicious pancakes. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. You can have this snacks for breakfast or you can keep it in tiffin for children. Also, you can have it as a snacks for 4 p.m. along with tea or coffee. For making pancakes, I have taken here 1.5 cup of grated coconut and to it I have added jaggery. I have added here powdered jaggery. You can add whole jaggery. For that you can have to just grate and add it. You can add around 4 tablespoons or sweet according to your taste. To this we will add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera, and half teaspoon of powdered cardamom. Give it a good mix. And now we will see how to prepare the batter to make our pancakes. For preparing the batter, we will add first 1 cup of water to a mixie jar. And to this I will be adding 2 cups of maida, that is all-purpose flour. Now we will add 1.5 cup of water more. Use the same cup that you measured the maida. I am using this type of cup. More half we will add. Now add half teaspoon salt to it and now we will grind it to a nice smooth batter. I'll show you the consistency of the batter. It's a nice thin batter like dosha. Now using this type of spoon, I will be taking 1.5 spoon and spreading it on a dosha tawa. So let's see it. I have kept a dosha pan. It is hot now. So now we will pour the batter onto it and see how to spread it. We have to make thin doshas out of this maida. Taking 1.5. Then spread it like this. To this we will add our mixture. Keep the flame very low. Spread the mixture on all the sides of the dosha. Let it cook. We'll see one more. I'm pouring now 2 spoons. And we'll just roll it from inside to outside. See that the flame is very low at this time. Now we will spread our mixture. I have also uploaded a video how to make conical shaped dosha, restaurant style. I will be putting the link in the description box. I have very clearly explained how to make the batter for dosha. So you can see that and make nice delicious crispy doshas. Let it cook. Now we will keep the flame in medium. Before spreading the batter, if you want, you can brush the tawa with little oil. I am not brushing it because my tawa is new and it is nice non-stick tawa. So I am not using any oil or ghee. Once again we will roll it. As I pour 2 spoons, it's become nice big. Just press it on both the sides like this, and then we will take it out. In similar way we will do all the pancakes. You can also prepare this pancakes by adding 1 egg to the batter. It gives nice crispiness and also good taste. Here I have not added egg. Also this is known as Mottachurla in Malayalam, and other known names are Mottapatri, Mottakrus. In English we call it as pancakes. So let me make more of it. So our tasty and delicious pancakes are ready. You can have it in breakfast or for 4 p.m. snacks. You can have it with tea or coffee. Also you can send it as a tiffin for children.